Calling Sis Mona. Mona Glory. Tinatawagan po dito sa registration area, Sis Mona. Again po, available po ang ating lugaw at food. May lechon po dyan sa kalugaw. Pwede po kayong kumuha dyan.
Ano nagamit?
And after that, mag-cool down po tayo
Hindi naman ginamit.
sa lahat ng participants.
Ano?
Again po, yung mga hindi pa po nakuha ng food, meron tayong lechon at lugaw.
Nagalit ka dito. Kasi
Cool down po tayo. Yes, brother. All participants, meron po tayong food, and we'd like to thank the following sponsors, clubs, and organization. Hyman, Jetro Trading, Labs, Office and School Supplies, Philippine Engineering Construction Supply, Philippine Red Cross, Prime Motorized Corporation, Bureau of Premiumized Awards, Tactical Supplies, Sampagita Department Store, Smart, Light, Laundry Hub, Wash, Dry, Fold, Honey, and Assault, Palay Rice Center, DR Food Corner, Golden, Trader Kalakali, Labo, Striders, Guide Run Club, Peace Runners, Police Bantayo, Sport Boys, Chasing Gold Multi Sports, Camarines Norte Deaf and Runners, Province of Camarines Norte, Apollo Portilis, Pananza, Congressman Rosemary Panones, Second District, Stewards Hotel Corneros, Camarines Norte Lions Club, Sally Chapter, Anthony Omega Vega Bible Chapter, Anthony Omega Videos Camarines Norte Alumni Association, Anthony Omega Fitness Alumni Association, Anthony Omega Omega Wine Chapter, Anthony Omega Omega Chapter, Stadio Hope Endurance, Sigaran 2025. Again po, meron po tayo dito lugaw at lechon. Ang proceed po ng Sigaran ay para sa mga gamit pang-eskwela ng mga batang taga-isla. Meron po natin itong bulubog sa mga gusto mong picture. At ang ating pong CR nasa Centennial Ward sa likod. Meron po natin lechon at lugaw. Sa ilang sandali lang po ay magkakaroon tayo ng warning at technique program. Maraming salamat po. Your registration will be used to proceed with your school supplies and to be given to the less fortunate children in Calaguas Island. We'd like to thank the following sponsors, clubs, and organizations. Hyman, Jetro Trading, Household Supplies, MAP, Office and School Supplies, Philippine Engineering Construction Supply, Philippine Red Cross, This is Prime Motors Corporation, dealer for premium motorcycles. Amores Tactical Supplies. Sampaguita Department Store. Smart. Diet Laundry Hub, Wash Dry Fold Soap Service. Danny and Son Palay Rice Flavor. DER Doctor Food Corner. Golden Striders Parimari. Labo Striders. Diet Run Club. Peace Runners. Police Pagtayo. Sport Boys. Chasing Gold Multi-Sports. Camarines Norte Depend Runners. Province of Camarines Norte. Abudo Party List. Panagos na Congressman Rosemary Conejos Manote, 2nd District, Camarines Norte. COS Cos Voltaire Conejos. Camarines Norte Lions Club. Side Chapter Alpha Pi Omega. Alpha Pi Omega Beta Micro Chapter. Alpha Pi Omega Vincent Camarines Norte Alumni Association. Alpha Pi Omega Midwest Alumni Association. Alpha Pi Omega Omicron Pi. Alpha Pi Omega Bukapa Chapter. And would like to thank Konsehal Iya Caranceja para sa sponsor ng Leg Wall.
Ay, kapag ako may silver medalist natin na sa Gabu. Sa Gabu po. Silver medal, ay, silver medal ng baka medal pa rin.
So after po ng pagkain ng food, mag-cool down po tayo at may programa para sa award.
We led when others feared the storm. We served in ways that we should know. We built our homes in unity upon that last eternity. In every charity, every call, the answer not for self, but with humble hearts and spirits free. We serve our nation faithfully, guided by three lights we bear, values we forever share.
Meron po tayo dito ang photo ops para sa mga gusto pong mag-picture.
Raise the torch across our land. Let service guide our steady hand. From campus paths to island shores, echo spirit forever soars. Alpha Phi Omega, 100 years of service. Together we have served brothers and sisters by our side. Leadership, friendship, service, our hope will never fade. Alpha Phi Omega, the nation we are made. Alpha Phi Omega, the nation we are made. Forever brave and strong.
Yun daw pong brand na binigyan ng cup na tumakbo sa 10 kilometers ay pakibigay po sa First Aid Station. Thank you po. Kaya malapit na po matapos sa food station. Pagkatapos po niyan ay mag-cool down tayo. Then sunod po ay may clean programa. Si Sienna! Si Sienna! Si Sienna!
We stand today where giants walked before, with hearts committed, asking for nothing more than to uphold the strength that we all need, living up the essence of the threefold creed. All a century of light, the bells are ringing loud, standing proud within the global crowd. We are a ship that guides with honor and with grace, friendships bond we build in every time and place. Service is the key, the mission that
And we would like to recognize
leads of glory to the able
bronze medalist, SEA Games 2025, Thailand, 3,000 meters men's category. steeplechase, Sir Jonel Gubotea or Gabo. Saan po si Sir? Sir Gabo? Again, we would like to recognize Sir Jonel Gabotea. 3,000 meters men's category SEA Games 2025 Thailand bronze medalist. SEA Games 2025. Again, meron pa po tayong lechon. Sir Ahmad?
Okay na, ma'am.
I would like to recognize Sir Gabo, Sir Janel Gubotea for 2,000 meters men's category SEA Games medalist. Hello, mga natin, Sir! Congratulations, Sir! Given po yung picture. I'd like to recognize Onsihal Justin from Vincent's Camarines Norte. And we'd like to thank Onsihal Lia Caliseo for the netball.
Ay, oo nga, naganda wala na.
Yung boys ba, cool down na kayo kung tapos na kung kumalahin. Eh, sa mga gusto mo picture kay Sir Gabo.
Wala naman daw pantagod yung lechon.
Sa mga nais po makabenta na t-shirt para sa Siguran, available po dito sa registration for only 600 pesos. For announcement po sa mga gusto pong kami. For souvenirs, para sa mga kilala po ninyo, ng t-shirt sa Siguran ay available po dito sa registration. Good. Maraming salamat po.
Atletang Pinoy.
Ngayon ang pusit po ng Siguran ay magamit pang eskwela para sa mga batang taga-isla ng Calaguas. Okay, tapos na po ata sa... Tinatawanan po ang sumali sa 16 kilometers na may number na 025 pumunta po dito sa registration area.
Patab namin lang, patab namin. Announce ko na lang. Oh, salamat po.
Salamat po, salamat.
Sa mga nais pong makasabihin na souvenir para sa Siguran, meron po rin dito sa registration group. Ay, tapos na po ba kayo sa kainan? Pwede po kayong magpa-photo off sa akin bronze medalist kay Sir Gabo. Thank you, minutes po, mag-start na tayo na cool down program para sa awarding. Again, sa nice for the day. Para po sa mga gusto magkabay ng t-shirt for souvenir para sa mga friends mo natin at pamilya, ay available po dito sa registration booth. At tinatawagan po yung tumakbo sa 16 kilometers with the number 025. Pumunta po dito sa registration. 025, 16 kilometers. Main category. 16 kilometers, 025. Okay na ba? Nag-picture pa kay sir. Ito na tayo. Okay, invite po lahat ng mga runners para sa ating cool down activity. Dito na po tayo sa may harap ng booth para sa cool down. Invite po lahat ng runners para sa cool down and awarding. Lahat po ng runners, invite po para sa cool down and awarding ceremony.
For this morning event, and as we are heading to a new year, we would like to launch an official group on our Facebook at community for the Marinas Corner Running Community. It will serve as an open avenue para po ng mga event natin, doon natin i-post. So as for us to be aware na mas mabilis, especially sa social media and technology nowadays, that's our Facebook. So para lahat ng events and activities, we can support at the same time, alam natin kung ano yung upcoming events. So you are open and free to post yung mga upcoming events and other activities as long as related sa running. So it will be Camarines Corner Running Community. So hanapin nyo lang sa Facebook and para makapost po tayo ng mga upcoming events. Yun lang, thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po. At okay, para sa cool down, music po, DJ. Cool down na po tayo. Tinatawagan din po dito sa registration si 035 para sa 16 kilometers category. 16 kilometers, 035. Number 035. Sir Wego. Mga precious. Sir. Sa registration po. Sir.
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely falling, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment. I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go. 'Cause baby, I don't have time to pretend. up with you one more time. Looking so beautiful. I got me way up in the clouds. I don't wanna go down. I got problems on me. Sometimes they fall me, take on me. I'm pretty sure you turn on me. 'Cause I don't wanna let you down.
Hey, maraming salamat po. Runners, tinatabulate na lang po para sa awarding po natin. And
Kita tayo ulit next year. Sa mga staff and runners, salamat sa pagsusupport ninyo. Alam niyo yung purpose nito, gamit napaka-eskwela para sa mga taga-isla. So, tayo lahat ng mga teacher, para sa mga estudyante natin. At sa lahat po ay tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. Kahit mabagal, basta nakasuporta tayo sa running community. Yun lamang po at salamat.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Precious.
With humble hearts and spirits free, we serve our nation faithfully. Guided by three lives we bear, values we forever share. Our Omega, one century we stand.
Okay, pwede po ulit mag-photo ops habang hinihintay lang po yung result, tinatabulate lang po. Meron pa po tayong available na lugaws, yung hindi pa po or di pa nakakaklugaw at nabitin. Pwede pa pong kumain ng lugaw. Ubus na po yung lechon. Kaway-kaway daw po sa drone.
Together we are servant brothers and sisters by our side. Leadership, friendship, service, our oath will never fade. Our Omega, nation we are. Silent calls, a vision planted, a promise made so true. To bring the best out of the end. 100 years, the pages turn to night. A brotherhood.
Stadio Endurance Run, Siglo Run 2025.
Giants walk before, with hearts committed as before, nothing more than to uphold the strength that we all need, living out the essence of the threefold creed. All our century
Muli po, organizer ang Alpha Phi Omega ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat na nakiisa para sa Sigluran. Maraming salamat po. Ang musik po ng ating Sigluran ay gamit pang eskwela para sa mga batang taga-isla ng Calaguas Island. Konting minuto na lang po, tinatabulate na lang po ang bike categories para sa ating Sigluran 2025. It's not just about running, it's all about giving. Registration will be used to procure school supplies and be given to the less fortunate children in Calaguas Island. We'd like to thank the following sponsors, clubs, and organizations. Konsihal, Calansea, Hymed, Jetro, Trading, Household Supplies, MAB, Office and School Supplies, Philippine Engineering Construction Supply, Philippine Red Cross, Prime Motorbike Corporation, dealer of premium motorcycles, Ramores Tactical Supplies, Sampaguita Department Store, Smart, Diet Laundry House, Wash Dry Foam Soap Service, Dani and Ason Palay, Rice Trading, DR Doctor Food Corner, Golden Striders Paracali, Labo Striders, Diet Run Club, Peace Runners, Police Pantayo, Spoiled Boys, Chasing Golden, Multi-Sports, Camarines Norte, Deped Runners, Province of Camarines Norte, Buno, Partilist, Padagos Lang, Congressman Rosemary Conejos Palates, 2nd District, COS Cos Voltaire, Conejos, Camarines Norte, Lions Club, Alpha Phi Omega Psi Chapter, Alpha Phi Omega Beta Omicron Chapter, Alpha Phi Omega Vincent's Camarines Norte Alumni Association, Alpha Phi Omega Midwest Alumni Association, Alpha Phi Omega Omicron Pi, Alpha Phi Omega Mu Kappa Chapter. And I'd like to thank Honsian Karanseha for lead host. Honsian Gia Karanseha. For sounds and lights, Congressman Rosemary Panotes, Padagos na. Kosiao, Justin Bintao Vincents from Vincents Camarines Norte. So inaayos lang po ating result dahil may konti lang pong pangyayari.
gusto pa pong mag-avail ng lugaw, tubig, meron pa po tayo. Kamusta po yung lechon? May prutas pa? Lugaw na lang. Ang hinihintay na lang po natin ay ang sa 5 kilometers at 10 kilometers para sa male and female category. While waiting po, pwede po kayong kumain ulit ng lugaw at tubig. Pwede rin po kayong photo ops pa sa ating lead wall at sa ating Dark Sigurad 2025. At ang ating lead wall ay ating sa inyo si Konsihal Iya Caranseha para naman sa ating sounds and music at din sa inyo ni Konsihal Rosemary Panotes, Padagis na. Ako ni Konsihal Justin, Vincents, Konsihal Justin, alin po sa mga nais pong mag-avail ng t-shirt para sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay ay available po dito sa ating celebration bowl.
Planting every tree, building peace and championing literacy. The simple act of helping where we fall. A brotherhood of service answering the call. The house revolution comes us all. You see the brotherhood, compassion, and solidarity. 100 years, our legacy's profound. The finest spirit in the world is found. A century of light, the bells are ringing loud. Standing proud within the global crowd. Leadership that guides with honor and with grace. Precious bond we build in every time and place. Service is the key, the mission that we claim. 100 years of glory to the able.
A 100 years from a seed of sturdy oak, where hearts of service never grow old. From Luzon down to Mindanao, we stood with purpose in every town. In yellow flame and royal blue, our brotherhood was born anew. For every life we choose to live, our going, our young. Guided by 3 lives we live, values we forever share. Alpha, Phi, Omega, 1 century we stand, leadership and service in every.
Meron po tayong prutas dito sa food area. Meron po ditong pakwan at lugaw sa mga gusto pong mag-avail. Habang nag-iintay po ng resort. Ano po tayong lugaw? Sa mga gusto pong mag-avail ng lugaw. Ating pong chef. Chef po dyan. Dapat runners po, mga photos po muna. Dapat runners dito sa TARP ng Siguran 2025. Nagkakakanya. Dapat runners. Meron po tayo ditong tubig. Meron po tayo ditong prutas. Again po, Dapat runners. start. Yan po mga Tinted Runners ay ang Peace Runners. Tinatawagan po ang Peace Runners after the Tinted Runners. Thank you, Tinted Runners. Next, Peace Runners. Peace Runners. Peace Runners. Yung mga gusto ko pong ka-picture, mga association, clubs, okay po ang area. Peace Runners. Pwede rin po tinatawagan ang Labo Straighters. Maraming salamat, Peace Runners! Next, tinatawagan po namin, baka gusto nyo po mag-group picture, Diet Run Club. Maraming salamat po, Peace Runner, Diet Run Club. Diet Run Club. Diet Run Club. Diet Run Club, meron po ba mag-picture? Ayan na po. Ang sunod po sa Diet Run Club para sa group picture ay ang Police Bantayo. PNP Bantayo. Diet Run Club. Maraming salamat po, Diet Run Club. Maraming salamat po, Diet Run Club. Ang dami. Mabuhay po ang Diet Run Club. Video yan, ma'am, video. Thank you, Diet Run Club. Maraming salamat po ulit, Diet Run Club. PNP, Police Bantayo. Police Bantayo. PNP, Police Bantayo. Okay, maraming salamat po, Police Bantayo. PNP, Police Bantayo. Sunod po ba? Ano ba mga organization natin dito? Select Thai Team. Camarines Triad Zone Team. BJMP Runners. Next po ay organizer Alpha Pi Omega. Alpha Pi Omega. Next. Organizer, dali na po. Pagkatapos nito po, pangkalahatan para dire-diretso na po tayo awarding. Habang tinatapos na po yung ating tabulation. Apo, asa na po ang Alpha Pi Omega from different chapters and alumni association. Next po ay lahat na po tayo, group. Okay na po. Okay na po. Sa wakas po, tapos na ang tabulation. Alpha Pi Omega, photo ops.
Guided by three lights we bear, values we forever share. Alpha Pi Omega, 1 century we stand, leadership, friendship, service in every heart and hand, from every chapter, every cross.
Stop time!
Carries on a family of leaders forever brave and strong. Here's to 100 years of purpose.
Ano pala yung camera? Sa baba. Thank you, brothers and sisters. Ngayon po, mag-bottoms na po tayo ng lahatan. Lahat po ng runners. Okay na? Awarding na daw po, awarding na.
Video ito. Video.
Okay na po, asan na po yung sa tabulation team? Awarding na tayo.
Paano natin makukuha yun?
I-upload dyan sa mukha pa.
Pakuhaan mo nga.
Again, male category, 18 years old and below, 5 kilometers. Third, Kyle Anton Sanchez with a number 007. Asan po si Sir Kyle Anton Sanchez? Second, Edmar Bustillo, 18 years old and below. Paano kami? Sanchez, Kyle Anton Sanchez, third. Second, Edmar Bustillo, 18 years old and below. And for 18 years old and below, 5 kilometers, male category, James Miliare Patricio. Ayan po, para sa moto-ops natin, sa ating third, second, and first runner-up, 18 years old and below category. Next, for 18 years old and below,
Sir,
female category. Dalawa lang po ang
Fred,
nakawin natin dahil ito na po ang nasa registration na nakapasok.
ulit na photo ops noong kanina.
For second,
Ay, di na.
runner-up, 18 years old and below, Cherry Christine Salcedo. Sis, right, even and below. Yung anak ni sis po, nagalis na? Okay. First, 18 years old and below, Denise Dasilio. Denise Dasilio. Denise first. Next category, 19 to 34 years old, male. Third. Again, 19 to 34 years old, male. Third place, Joseph Gallardo. Third, Joseph Gallardo. Second, second place, Cyrus Evelino. Sir Cyrus Evelino. And for the first place, 19 to 34 years old male category, Daniel Rada. To 34 years old, female category. 19 to 34 years old, female category. Third place, Lara May Paming. Third place, Lara May Paming. Second place, Lara Macau, taga-Vinsons. Kapasok sa Red Cross, Ma'am Elfie Ashaw. And first place for 19 to 34 years old, Ma'am Bernadette Ravina. First place, Ma'am Bernadette Ravina. Again po, ang awarding muna po natin ay by age. Mamaya po yung overall. Yun yung pagpinalit po natin. Ano po, sumamulit po natin awarding na isa pa po. Inulan na po natin yung by category. From 35 to 39 years old, male category. Third place. Third place, Sir Kiko Munar. Sir Kiko Munar. Second place, Sir John Lester Rasiles. Second place, 35 to 39 years old category. In the first place, Sir Jay Canaria. Again po, yung sa overall po, pagkatapos po ng awarding by category. Meron po tayong awarding by category then overall. And for female, 35 to 39 years old, third place, Ma'am Giselle Lee. Giselle Lee. Third place. And for the second place, kabarangay ko to, Tagamampuro, 35 to 39 years old. Grabe mo na support ng akong kaini. Miss Ma'am Ruby Zavala. And for the first place, 35 to 39 years old, female category, Ma'am Che Aburdo. Che Aburdo. Congratulations. And for the male category, 40 to 44 years old, third place, Sir Jake Cortez. Jake Cortez, third place. And for the second place, Sir Roel Borgoña. Roel Borgoña. And for the first place, 40 to 44 years old, male category, Leslie Queterasio. Wala ko na po ata. Sir Leslie? Okay, dito po si Sir Leslie. Second po si Sir Roel Borgoña, 40 to 44 years old category. Wala po first kasi. And for the 40 to 44 years old female category, third place. Female category, third place, Analisa Cabanela. Ma'am Analisa Cabanela. Ay! Second place, bistado mo na naman yun eh. Katrabaho ko yun eh. Pag naguguluhan ka sa isip mo, hindi ka lang magrani. Guidance Counselor, Ma'am Rachel Ruano, second place, 40 to 44 years old, female category. And for the first place, ngayong karampihan, ang nagana, Kasis Kumansa na, first place, Sis Mona Glory Ocampo. Sis Mona, first place, female category, 14 to 44 years old. Wala po tayo sa main category ng 45, main category ng 45 to 49. So, proceed na po tayo sa 45 to 49, female category. Dalawa lang po sila nakapasok. Second place, 45 to 49, female category, Ma'am Emeline San Gaspar. Second place. And for the first place, 45 to 49, first place, Ma'am Dory Romero. Ma'am Dory Romero. And for the male category, 50 to 54 years old, dalawa lang po sila. Second place. O, kasi po yung si Ma'am Dory para sa first place po? Wala po na. Para sa 50 to 54 years old, male category, second place, Jesus Caramuan. Sir Jesus Caramuan. And for the first place, male category, 50 to 54 years old, ako hindi nakakatrabaho ko, Sir Nelson Vergara. Sir, sir. And for the 50 to 54 years old, male category, female category, sorry, Ma'am Rosie Nesio, third place, Ma'am Rosie Nesio. Next, second place, Ma'am Sheila Raro. Ma'am Sheila Raro. Ako. And 50 to 54 years old, female category. At ang mga kanya, Ma'am Eleanor Vergara, first place. And for 55 to 59 years old, male category, third place, Sir Andy R. Nesio. 55 to 59 years old, Sir Andy R. Nesio. Second place, Sir Anthony Vasquez. Sir Anthony Vasquez. And first place, Sir Ronnie Raro. And for 5 kilometers, overall. Male category, overall result, single run, 5 kilometers, male category. 55 po. Picture na po dyan, Brad. 60 sa 55. Okay, tanongin na po natin ang overall result sa single run, 5 kilometers, male category. Third place. Third place. Okay na po ang award sa 55 category. For overall result, single run, 5 kilometers. For the third place, male category sa mga receive receive the 1,000 pesos and certificate. Third place, overall, 20 kilometers, category, Sir Kyle Anton Sanchez. Sir Kyle Anton Sanchez. Second place. Second place, ang makaka-receive ng 2,000 pesos at certificate for overall result, single run, 5 kilometers, Sir Edmar Bustilio. Second place, Sir Edmar Bustilio. Overall po ito, overall. Wait lang po. Wait lang po, hindi natin. Okay. Age cut. Sanay na po, meron na tayo. Okay, mamaya pa lang tayo sa overall, may konting ayusin na po para sa result. Okay, mag-proceed muna po tayo sa 10K age category. Maraming salamat po sa pag-inform. Okay, for 10 kilometers. For 18 years old and below. Male category, third place. Bunyag Juan Gabriel, third place. Second place, Reyes Matthew Aragon. First place, Reyes Eldred Aragon. Magkakapatid pala to. And for the female category, 18 years old and below, isa po ng pasok. First place. First place, 18 years old and below. Female category, Sanchez, Chelsea May. Chelsea May Sanchez. Okay. Yung certificate daw, sis. Sis. Sis yan ha, tinatawagan mo dito sa information, sis, para maayos po yung sa navigation. Yung certificate mo, sis. Sis, yung certificate. Tinatawagan po yung mga taga-cross na nabistas sa overall. Pwede po pumunta dito sa ating registration para sa kaunting paglilinaw. Maraming salamat po. Okay, congratulations. Bunyag Reyes Brothers. At sa 18 years old and below, first place, Chelsea May Sanchez. Chelsea May Sanchez. Wala po ba si Chelsea? And for 19 to 34 years old, male category, 10 kilometers. Third place, Gago Christopher. Gago Christopher. Second place, De La Cruz Dominic. And first place, Gilbert Piano. To 34 years old. And for 19 to 34 years old, female category. Third place, Manlangit France Ann. Third place, Manlangit France Ann. Francis Ann. Second place, Tatlo Vivian Pajares. Tatlo Vivian Pajares. And first place, 19 to 34 years old. Ano ba ba niya? First place, Asiron Rodin. 19 to 34 years old. female category.
Wow. Ma'am, nag-video po siya.
For 35 and 39 years old, male category, third place. Third place, Libios Gios Adrian Bird. Libios Gios Adrian. Second place, Regulacio Dennis. Regulacio Dennis. And first place, Albao Richard. Albao Richard, sir. Certificate po? 35 to 39. And for 35 to 39, female category, isa lang po ang nakapasok. First place, De La Cruz Melanie. Ay, si Ma'am. Ma'am De La Cruz Melanie, first place. Certificate po, certificate. Kay Ma'am. Ma'am, certificate. Don't certificate. And for the 40 to 44 years old, female category, okay, ito lang muna natin sa registration female category. Third place, Ma'am Sigaan. Wala pong pangalan, Ma'am Sigaan. Ay, si Sis Dalin pala. And second place, Fabian Maurin. Fabian Maurin. And first place, 40 to 44 years old, Pera Juana. First place, Pera Juana, third place. And to 50 to 54 years old, ay, doon sis pala rin. Deaf and runners. And for 50 to 54 years old, first place, Mapusao Lea. Mapusao Lea. Lea Mapusao, first place. For 16 kilometers, age category. Wala po tayong 18 years old and below para sa rate. Certificate po, ma'am. Picture po rin, ma'am. 18 years old and below, 16 kilometers. Female category. First place, Tombado Joy Marie. Joy Marie Tombado. 16 kilometers, 18 years old and below, female category. Certificate. From Diet Run Club, si ma'am. Alam mo, wala kong nakapasok siya po sa 18 and below. Certificator. Certificator. And for 19 to 34 years old, 16 kilometers, male category, third place, Palado Ivan. Palado Ivan, third place. Second place, Edward Lido, Sir Edward Lido. And first place, 19 to 34 years old, 16 kilometers, male category, Kumbuncha Jonel Sirio. Aking bronze medalist. And for female category, 19 to 34 years old, third place, Lucelle Laborde. Lucelle Laborde. Second place, Serino Jacqueline. Jacqueline Serino. Female po. 19 to 34 years old. And first place, walang pinito dito magagay. Sereno po. Ma'am Sereno Jacqueline. Second place. And first place, Ma'am Jambi. Ma'am Jambi. Si Ma'am Jambi. category. Second place na po tayo. Wala po tayong third. Second place, Sir Eric Len Guerrero. First. Second place, Sir Eric Len Guerrero. First place, Rosales Marlon. Sir Marlon Rosales. Oh, third place. Third place, 40 to 44 years old. Okay po. Third place, Sir Romero Meriton, 40 to 44 years old. Second place, Eric Len Guerrero. And first place, Marlon Rosales, 40 to 44 years old. Dito na po sa podium. And female category, 40 to 44 years old. Wala pong iba, nag-iisa, walang karampihan. Ang nanggana sa first place, Sis Danis Garcia. 16 kilometers, 40 to 44 years old, female category. To 44 years old. And 45 to 49, male category, third place, Sir Ruben B. Reyes, third place. Second place, second place, Emiliana Randy. First place, Pio Quinto Al Undasan, 45 to 49. For 45 to 49, female category, 10 kilometers. Isa lang po nakapasok, Ma'am Nilibet Santa Maria. And to 50 to 54 years old, female category, 16 kilometers. First place, sa ating po, Ma'am Maria Gloria M. Bugagaw. And for 55 to 59, sa ating po, first place, male category, Sir Z. Sanares. Certificate? Certificate po. 55 to 59. 50 to 54 yan si Ma'am Bugagaw. 55 to 59, Sir Z. Sanares. Okay? Overall, 5 kilometers. Male category.
Certificate na.
Overall result, certificate. What certificate? For overall, third place with a cash prize, 1,000 pesos for 5 kilometers. Third place overall, 5 kilometers. Daniel Rada. Second place. With a cash prize of 2,000 pesos, Villino Cyrus. And for the first place, 5 kilometers men category, Patricio James Andrew. Third place, 5 kilometers female category. Nasa likod ko lang. Peace Runners. Female category, single run, 5 kilometers, female category, third place, Ashaw, LVB. Second place, overall, Rise Up, Patricia, second place, Round Time Run Club. And first place, sa third po ay 1,000, second ay 2,000, sa first ay 3,000. For the first place, female category, Rabina Bernadette. Congratulations sa ating overall 5 kilometers single run, male and female category.
Ready? Ako po yung mega kosong.
Papatay na lang daw po nung naka-ready dyan.
Thank you, brothers and sisters, leadership, friendship, and service.
Ang bigat.
Nalito ka.
Sinabi.
Dati, sinusundo ka. Siguro ganun. Baka ganun lang ha.
Maigi pang sabi ko sa anak kanina, Brad, hindi ikaw ang masundo sa akin.
Bakit?
Sis.
Ano po?
Tayo sa wat. Sawat, tama pa niya, nakakami na tubig. Ganun lang.
Kawawa naman yung batang nag-service ko.
Baka dyan, butas. Ingatan ko tayo.
Takutin nyo na. May chocolate. Sige lang. Prutas, gulay. Prutas po. Kuha na kayo.